So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run this scan in the background as we complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in %temp%. Click on it. And then once you're on this, we're going to delete everything in this folder. Don't worry, these are just your temporary files. So you're going to do Ctrl A and then delete. And now you're going to tick do this for current items and then continue. And now if you get this again, you're going to click on cancel. Most of the temporary files are going to be deleted. And now for the next step, you're going to come back into CMD, wait for your scan that we did at the start of the video to be completed. Now you're going to type in chkdsk /F. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter. And then once you've done that, you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as your computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It's now going to start running the scan. Wait for the scan to be completed. It will take you back to Windows, and then you should be good to go.